Hello there, it's Dan from Buchar's RV, and nobody likes to think about winter, but it's that time of the year where it's time to start winterizing your RV. And one of the first steps when you're winterizing your RV is to bypass and then drain your water heater. And you'll have your drain plug on the water heater, and when you open it up, you may find that you have an anode rod. What is an anode rod? An anode rod is essentially a sacrificial item, and it's designed to keep the chemicals from the water from attacking the inside of your water tank. So the goal is to have it corrode this, not your expensive water heater. Now, how do you know when you need to replace your anode rod? Well, this is what they look like brand new, shiny, solid. Pretty obvious that's a new one. Yours, after a year or two of use, may look more like this, kind of pitted, white, chalky. That's actually still okay. You can see that there's a central core in here. This is still well surrounded. When your anode rod starts to look like this, you should have replaced it a long time ago. Basically, as long as you have 75% of this core covered with some of the metal, it's still okay. So this is replace. This is still good. This is brand new. Now you may say, but wait, I opened up my water heater and I don't even have an anode rod. Well, the odds are you probably have a Dometic water heater, and Dometic water heaters just use plastic drain plugs like this. It's really the Suburban water heaters that use anode rods. Dometic and Atwood water heaters will typically just have a drain plug. If you have one of these, you do not want to put an anode rod in the water heater. Stick with the drain plug. By adding one of these into a Dometic water heater, you can actually start the corrosion process that will eventually eat away your tank. So if you have one, know when to replace it. If you don't have one, you can just use your plastic drain plug that you have from your water heater. And when you lose these, we keep them in stock. And if you have a tankless water heater or an on-demand water heater system, there's obviously no tank, so you're not going to have an anode rod because there's no tank to protect. So if you have any questions about anode rods, water heaters, or anything in general, give us a call here at Buchar's.